we are going to do a little driving, but mostly flying. We've got some wind, so I've got it in high rates. So let's get this thing started. So you can see it flies really nice. Even in some wind, it still flies pretty nice. I'm going to set it down here. Set it down here, and we're going to do a little driving. Very responsive steering. Holy crap. Alright guys, I'm going to get over the grass and we're going to try our first flip, and Bill's going to take a little bit of a wide angle here. Wow. Did you get that, Bill?
Yeah, I think so.
Wow, those are really nice and tight. Honestly, I'm pretty surprised. And the other thing that's standing out to me is I can really see the lights. Alright, let's do a little reverse driving. This thing is so much fun, guys. The yaw is perfect outside. And it's pretty fast too. Oh, low voltage cut off.
Already, huh?
Yeah. Alright guys, we are going to do our maiden outdoor flight with this thing. I am really excited. Alright, so we're going to start off driving in flight mode number 1. Or just mode number 1 in particular. Not bad, not bad. Backing up. Hell, backing up goes just as fast as forward, so that's cool. Let's change it into flight mode, or drive mode, or whatever mode, number 2. Got 2 beeps. Definitely feels a little bit faster. Flies really nice. We do have a bit of a breeze, and this thing is flying really nice. I feel really nice flying it. Alright, let's set it down and do a little more driving. I could have been more gentle on that landing, but there we go. That's so fun just to drive it and then start flying. Let's see if we can't just land this a little bit softer this time. And a little better. All right, let's change it into flight mode number 3 and really kind of see what this thing can do. Let's start with the drive. That is faster, not too much faster than flight mode number 2, but it flies way faster. Wow, that's fun, guys. Gotta stand up for this one. That looks so cool in the air, guys. Wow, that thing has some nice yaw in this highest mode. Look at that again. My goodness. Set it down. Oh yeah, nice and gently. Now this terrain for these foam tires is a little rough, but it still drives pretty nice. This is definitely fun. Definitely seems to be better than my other flying car. Even though it's had great YouTube success, just wasn't as good a performer as this. All right, well, we've got battery. Let's see how this thing handles flips. Not bad, guys. I hope those are in frame. Try it a little bit lower. Let's try a backwards one. Nice. Man, this is impressive. So it looks like it won't do front and back flips. At least I'm not able to get it to do that today. But it still has nice aileron rolls. Right there. I hope these are in frame, guys. Nice long flight time out of this thing too. Nice long flight and drive time. Flips are very, very taxing for batteries. And these are just 1S lipos, so there's only so much in them. While it's a 750, I believe, there's still limits to what it can do. So fun. All right, let's Let's set this thing down. A little rougher than we wanted there, but that's all right. Let's see if we can't back this thing up. Oh yeah, guys. This thing is much better flying than my Syma X9. And the Syma X9 was not bad for what it was and is, but this is far better in my opinion. It drives better, flies a lot better, and the flight times are so much longer. It's really impressive how long these flight times are, guys. Alright, with that being said, like, comment, and subscribe, and GBLynden out.